happy helping hands. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, lived a sweet and helpful girl named Kirsten. Kirsten loved her parents very much and always wanted to lend a helping hand. One sunny morning, Kirsten's parents had a lot of housework to do, and they were feeling overwhelmed. Seeing how busy her parents were, Kirsten decided to surprise them by taking charge of the chores. She put on her favorite apron, tied her hair in a ponytail, and got ready to tackle the tasks. Kirsten started by gathering all the dirty laundry and sorting it into neat piles. She then loaded the washing machine and added just the right amount of detergent. Kirsten smiled as she saw the clothes spinning and knew her parents would be pleased. Next, she moved on to the kitchen, where she wiped the countertops and washed the dishes with care. As she worked, Kirsten's parents peeked in and couldn't believe their eyes. Kirsten's parents felt grateful and proud to have such a thoughtful and responsible daughter. They played games, read stories, and laughed together, creating beautiful memories. She learned that lending a hand around the house brought joy and happiness to everyone. And every night, as she lay in bed with a smile on her face, Kirsten knew she was loved and appreciated. Do you like the story? Hope you can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more stories.